I am Pankaj Sharma from Brain League Learning. In this lesson, we will learn how to graph a linear inequality in two variables step by step using a clear visual example. Step 1. Write the inequality as an equation to find the boundary line. For our example, the inequality is y greater than 2x plus 1. The boundary line is y equals 2x plus 1. Step 2. Draw the boundary line. Because the inequality is a strict greater, then we draw a dashed line. Here is the coordinate plane. Now we draw the dashed boundary line, y equals 2x plus 1. Quick tip: use a dashed line for less than or greater than, and a solid line for less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. Step 3. Pick a test point. The easiest test point is the origin 0, 0. We plug 0 and 0 into the inequality. 0 is greater than 1 is false, so we shade the opposite side of the line from the origin. Step 4. Shade the region that makes the inequality true. Since the test point is false, we shade the opposite side of the line. The shaded area is the solution set. To summarize, we turned the inequality into an equation, drew the boundary line, used a test point, and shaded the correct side. Every point in the shaded region makes the inequality true. You're now ready to graph any linear inequality in two variables.